So just down from us on the right is Kiwi Cabins. I like these because they look a lot like my cabin I built that you see on our website all the time. So I thought I'd come down here and chat to Abby from Kiwi Cabins. Hi Abby.
Hi. All right, do you want to go have a look?
Yeah, keen.
Cool. This is one of our home workshops. This one on the site that we have is 4.8 by 2.4. It's a really popular size and people love tucking them at the bottom of the gardens to put their lawnmower in and their tools. They come as standard with the building paper lining, but we do also ply line them and turn them into a bit of a workshop with workbenches and everything.
Awesome.
This one here at this size is $5.5 grand. That includes delivery and assembly, and it's built on site by our team.
Wow, that's not bad.
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah. I noticed outside here there's like a little playhouse. We should check that out.
Yes, absolutely. This is the Clubhouse Junior. It is one of 8 of our Playhouse models. So we have 8 standard sizes and styles in our Playhouse range, and they are the most popular model that we sell. At the moment, we're all decked out for Christmas and we're trying to really push them. We deliver the entire week of Christmas is booked out for Playhouse deliveries.
What an amazing Christmas present.
Yeah.
I don't know how they wrap it though.
Just a big bow on the front.
Yeah, excellent. And then you got this one over here.
Yes, this is our studio, which is one of our sleep out range, and we go all the way up to 30 square meters. So they're great for that outdoor living space and for eco living.
Yes.
And really bringing the sustainability in, putting some solar panels on them.
Yeah. So you could line it up. You can put some LED lights in it,
Yes.
put a little fridge in there.
Absolutely.
Put one of our little solar kits on the top and it's a nice little sleep out.
Yeah,
Fantastic. How much are they kind of delivered?
Something this size, fully fitted out, is about $12,000.
Oh, that's reasonable.
Yep, delivered and assembled. So.
And they look cool, with the wood finish. I really like them.
Yeah.
Excellent. Oh, thank you very much. Thanks, Abby.
No
I'll carry on.